Guys, he's hooked up. Is that a bass? It's a bass.
Net it.
Come here, come here. All right, guys. Today we will be fishing in the rain.
I got this.
If you guys ever go fishing in dirty water in the rain, use a spinner bait.
Or, oh. See, that's like a little bite by line.
I had a bite.
I got one bite. Dude, I lost so many fish on sand.
Guys, spinner bait should be.
In the muddy area. I'm not going there.
Me? All right. Nice one. Guys, he's hooked up. Is that a bass? It's a bass.
Net it.
Come here, come here, come here. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Third cast. Oh my god.
Here, watch out, watch out. All right, hon.
That's in, dude.
Ready? Wait, let go. 10 ounce.
10.5 ounces.
Just caught this PB.
For lure.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, we'll be back.